Hello everyone, it's Dale here with new weekly trading ideas video. Today we are going to cover three major forex pairs. We are going to cover the euro dollar, we are going to talk about the British pound and also the Canadian dollar, US dollar. But before that, just a very quick note about a sale which I am currently running on my best educational and indicator packs. Let me very briefly show you and then we'll jump into the trading ideas right away. Alright, so if you guys go to my website traderdale.com and click this button, Trading Course and Tools, then it'll take you straight to this page, and in the next 5 days you can get a discount on my best educational and indicator packs. That means discount on the volume profile pack, the order flow pack, VWAP pack and the smart money pack. You can get those educational and indicator packs separately in here, or get even better discount if you scroll down a bit. Then you can get all those 4 packs together in one massively discounted bundle, only for $6.97, all 4 of them together. Now I should also mention that I offer this special guarantee. If you guys don't like the products, then ask for a refund, and if you ask for the refund within the 14 days, we'll send the money back, no questions asked. And as a bonus, you can still keep all the things that you purchased, even though you took a refund. Alright, you can learn more about that refund policy here. But let's now go and check out the trading ideas, right? So let's first cover the euro. On your screen here, this is the NinjaTrader 8 platform. And it is a 30-minute chart of the euro dollar. And that level that I want to talk about is newly formed support, which formed earlier today, and it is in here, 1.1380. Now this support is based on a couple of things. The first thing is volume profile setup. As you can see, the price was going in this strong uptrend recently, and within that uptrend there's a volume cluster. It's not the most significant volume cluster, but it is important because there's a confluence of a couple of trading signals. So the first one is that volume cluster within that strong uptrend, right? As you can see, my level is at the beginning of that heavy volume cluster. Now, additionally to that, there's also a fair value gap. That's from Smart Money Concepts and it is highlighted in green. This is the fair value gap. I like to trade from the beginnings of the fair value gaps. That means from this place. Now, those are 2 setups, but there's also a third one. And I'll need to zoom out a bit like this to show you. So, if you look at this level, then in the past it worked as a very strong resistance, right? The price was reacting to that level. That means that it was a strong resistance in the past. Also, in here, when the price went past that resistance, it turned into a support. So from this place, it is a support, right? So another setup, price action setup, resistance turning into support. So all those setups aligned and are currently pointing to this level. So right now, I think that it is a solid support and I'm waiting for a pullback. And when the price reaches this support, I think that there is a solid chance that the price will go up from there. Alright, so that's for the euro, and let's now check out the British pound. So, on this chart, this is the British pound US dollar 30-minute time frame, and that level that I want to talk about is this one. It is a support at 1.35, and it is based on the same setup as the volume profile trade was. So, let me show you. We have an uptrend, this uptrend from Friday and today. And if I use the volume profile like this over the whole uptrend zone, then it shows that the most important heavy volume zone within the uptrend was this one, right? Easily visible. And the level that I have here, the support, is at the beginning of that heavy volume zone, right? In here. In my experience, this is where the biggest chance of a reaction is. So right now I'm waiting for pullback. If the pullback occurs, then there is a solid chance that there'll be a reaction as the buyers from here, the buyers who are pushing the price up first in this uptrend, those guys will want to push the price upwards from there again to defend the longs which they placed here. Alright, so that's that support on the British pound, and let's now check out the US dollar Canadian dollar. On the US dollar Canadian dollar, we'll also be talking about this volume profile setup which I showed you before. It's called the trend setup, by the way, because you trade it when there's a trend. And yeah, this chart, that's the 30-minute chart of the US dollar Canadian dollar, the same time frame as all the charts which I've been showing you so far, my favorite time frame for intraday analysis. So what I'm gonna do is use the volume profile like this over that recent downtrend area, and you want to trade from the most important heavy volume zones. So it is this one, and then this one, right? The first level is a resistance, this one at 1.3727. The second resistance is at the beginning of the second volume cluster, so it is this one at 1.3754, and the third one that's in here at 38.15. It is at the beginning of this little fair value gap here, highlighted in red. That's why I have the level here, and as you can see, it is right before this massive heavy volume zone. So those are the significant resistances on the Canadian dollar. The ideal scenario would be pull back to the first one, reaction, pull back to the second one, reaction, pull back to the third one, reaction. All those three are solid resistances, so I'm planning to trade all three of them. And by the way, one thing which I haven't mentioned yet are the confluences with other setups. Let me show you. The first level that I have here, this one, I don't have another confluence here, only this heavy volume zone, but the volume zone stands out really, so it is a strong level just by itself. The second level, this one, based on heavy volumes, but also there's a huge fair value gap, which basically shows the aggression of sellers who are pushing the price downwards, so aggressive sellers here. And the level is at the beginning of that fair value gap. Now the third level, this one, there's also that fair value gap, but what makes this level actually way stronger is that the price was reacting here in the past, a very, very strong reaction. So it was a support in the past, that level, and it turned into a resistance when the price blew past it. Alright, so that's the price action combo, which I showed you already on the euro, and right now we have that on the US dollar Canadian dollar. So yeah, those are the reasons why I like those levels, and as I was saying, right now we just need to wait for pullbacks. Hopefully we will see some and we can take all those resistances. Now, before I wrap the video up, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators for TradingView platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video, which I'll publish on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win this set of custom-made indicators. So that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!